Hi, my name is RUKO. I work here at RUKO in product development as a test technician, and today we're showing you our new optimized core drill.
Hello, my name is Mac. I work in application technology here at RUKO, and I'm convinced we'll be able to impress you with our new core drill.
As part of the CIP, we want to keep setting new standards, and that's why we've spent the last few months working hard on optimizing the core drill.
Now we come to the application. First, I'm going to demonstrate the standard core drill available on the market. We're using the core drill, of course, with cooling on our magnetic core drilling machine. We're doing this, of course, with a speed that's been adjusted accordingly. And we're drilling into a 10mm S 235 JR steel plate. I needed quite a lot of force to get into the material. The drilling process was quite unsteady, and the drilling time was also quite long.
We've improved on the difficulties that Akim just described, meaning shorter process time, longer tool life, and improved core ejection.
Now I'll show you the drilling with our PerforMAX core drill, with the same parameters. Let's go. Significantly less effort, a much faster speed. And on top of that, a nice spiral chip. That was fun.
Our PerforMAX core drills are available in a practical case in 6 different sizes, from 12 to 22 millimeters in 2mm increments with a matching ejector pin.
Individual sizes are also available. With the PerforMAX core drill, you get the best product currently on the market. What are the advantages? A long tool life and improved drilling speed, and an optimized core ejection. We're convinced of our product. See for yourself.